the video. They're just looking at you. You laugh. It's so weird, David. Let me film it a little closer. Go.
Glad you guys find housework entertaining. Something that's a foreign concept to you. Stop it.
This is the face of intelligence. She's dusting the corner where there's no dust.
There's dust up there.
There's not
Thanks for bugging me.
I'm gonna film up here. See how much dust there really is. None.
There's dust all over the wall.
I don't think there is.
Yeah, there is. Stop it. You're such a brat. Give me my phone. Look, I can clean out this vent too while I'm up there. Stop it! I'm serious, that takes up all my memories.
You can just
That's true.
I'm gonna upload it to YouTube first.
No, you're not.
Yes, you are.
You better not.
Down over the wall.
Get out of the way, all the dust is flying. Stop it! What is this thing? David, I'm not kidding you. Put that away. I haven't had a shower yet today.
The whole internet will see it. See you.